to know what was your final amount of money that you made from that webinar. Do you
Rona,
know?
how many sales did we make off the webinar? Have you got that data?
Yes. So for the conversions, we had 5 people who signed up.
And how much was that, and to which offers?
So
What
the
was the
offer,
value?
what was the offer? 3,500 or 3,000?
$299. Yes,
Yeah.
$299 for a starter.
Yeah. So that's 15,000.
So $15,000 off that. Okay, awesome. Not bad for a rushed webinar.
But to be honest with you, I was really, really impressed because I really did feel we hit the mark. And I guess I came back thinking, I don't think it's a good idea to do it every month. I want to do it less frequently, but really up the ante, like build the list and so on. I definitely think that there's room to improve in, certainly because I did it like 2 days before I left, I really hadn't left enough time to, like, I didn't really understand the implications of how you follow up on. And so now that I sort of understand it, that I will be prepared for that.
It's huge. The amount of money that can be made in a follow-up is absolutely huge.